Welcome to Chroma Kids Creation. Hello little kids. Kids, today we are drawing Dora and boats. Let's go and draw. Dora and boats are two beloved characters from the animated television series Dora the Explorer. Dora is a young adventurous girl who sets out on exciting journey with her best friend Boots, a friendly and energetic monkey. Together, Dora and Boots embark on various adventures, encountering obstacles and solving puzzles along the way. Dora's backpack and map often help them navigate through forests, mountains, and even across rivers. With the help of their friends and viewers at home, they overcome challenges and complete their missions. Dora is known for her cheerful personality, kind heart, and blissful abilities, often encouraging viewers to participate by asking questions and solving problems in English and Spanish. Boots, her loyal companion, is always ready to lend a hand and provide support whenever Dora needs it. Kids and toddlers adore Dora and Boots because they represent friendship, curiosity, and the joy of exploration. They show not only entertains but also educates young viewers about teamwork, problem solving, and different cultures. So, join Dora and Boots on their adventure as they teach valuable lessons and inspire children everywhere to embrace exploration and friendship. Be sure to like, share and subscribe for more fun and educational video. Until next time, happy exploring!